See, he had a very evil side and he had a very good side. So it was quite a surprise all the time what side of his you would see. हाँ तो attachment तो obviously हो जाती है because you realize कि इस घर की वजह से आपको इतना बड़ा platform मिला है. So from day one I had one thing in mind, I'm going to be myself. So I was nice to everyone, which I am in real life. To be very honest, my all the modeling jobs that are lined up now are kind of exciting. So I'm looking forward to those. Movies, I haven't really spoken to anyone as yet. If there is something which is lucrative and which is exciting, where the role is good, I will definitely do it. Hi, I'm Niketan and you're watching Bollywood Hangama. When it started, I wasn't very comfortable about the whole concept because I wasn't sure if I would want to do it or if I could do it rather, because it's not obviously easy when someone tells you you'll be without, in today's day and age, you'll be without a mobile, without internet, without television, without any newspaper, magazine. You can't communicate with your family and friends. So I had those inhibitions, but just to overcome that, I took this as a challenge. But somehow I didn't miss any of this, except obviously communication with family and friends. But बाकी सब चीज़ें wasn't a problem for me. हाँ तो attachment तो obviously हो जाती है because you realize कि इस घर की वजह से आपको इतना बड़ा platform मिला है. The whole Bigg Boss team, the creative team, people behind the set, on other side of the camera, they were so nice because they really take good care of all the contestants. And it was obviously fun because once you start getting used to those duties and tasks, then it becomes a challenge and you find it very exciting. So after a point when it's towards the end, you start feeling that attachment because you know that this is never going to be in your life again. I didn't go with any preconceived notion of how I will be in the house, how I will interact, what groups I'll form, how I'm going to play the whole game, as they would say. I thought I would go there and be myself because I know my family and friends are watching me, and this is the place you shouldn't be fake. So I thought it won't be justice or it won't be fair towards me and my family and friends who are going to be seeing me. That's so I need to be myself. And I thought Bigg Boss is all about being yourself because your true colors come out in this, which is the biggest gamble of getting into Bigg Boss because you realize that at some point, maybe your first week or the 10th week, your true nature is going to be shown. It has to come out. You can't fake it for too long. So usme, I had seen some people came out initially very, very sweet and very smart, but eventually after a couple of weeks, the whole can of worms was being spilled because then you started seeing true nature of a person. So from day one, I had one thing in mind, I'm going to be myself. So I was nice to everyone, which I am in real life. I did not judge people. I did not form opinions. So it was quite nice for me. And overall, I think that thing paid off because if you're nice to someone, eventually the person is going to be nice to you. See, he had a very evil side and he had a very good side. So it was quite a surprise all the time what side of his you would see. I was very consistently good to him always, and I think he was trying to be a certain way towards everyone, which people were not liking in the house. But then I kept being nice to him and things were very good between him and me. Till obviously at the end there was this task which he obviously misunderstood and he started doing things in his own way which were incorrect, and because of which I would have had to go through a lot of mess because getting that, so that was a small issue, and then Bigg Boss sorted it out. They called him, I think you must have seen it in the confession room, and said this is not the way this task was meant to be done.
तेरे को मालूम नहीं है टिकट ये गई थी, मैंने डेलनास को बोला मेरे को जाने का, नहीं समझ में आई तेरे को बात? हे हंसले हैवान, चड्डी रे तेरी चड्डी पे दाग लगा है, सुपर ड्राई.
Ever since I've come out, I've interacted with quite a few contestants. Not all of them. I haven't had a chance. I bumped into a few of them. Then Mink and Urvashi had a small party for Bigg Boss, so I went for those. There was Shantini there. It was nice to meet her. Sapna. Yeah, there are a couple of people I've met. I'm looking forward now. I think everyone's damn busy, so am I. And whenever I think of meeting somebody, it's either that person's traveling or. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to having a big party and get everyone together very soon. Yeah, I need to do that. I always thought I would do that, but Abhi, it's been out, it's been about 2 weeks that I've been out. But back to back, there's so much happening, not only with me, I think with everyone. So I'm waiting for the right time. I think maybe next week something should have a big reunion. To be very honest, my all the modeling jobs that are lined up now are kind of exciting. So I'm looking forward to those. A couple of shows lined up starting next week onwards. So I'll be traveling a bit also, all domestic, nothing very exciting, but yeah, with Delhi, Jaipur and all these places. So I'm looking forward to those shows. There are talks about some advertisements, so some ad films come up, they'll be damn good. I always enjoy doing that. And other than that, I'm talking to a few people. I think when something gets confirmed, I'll let you know. But all these things I'm talking about is very new to me myself. So let's see whatever materializes, I'll be looking forward to it. I have done a couple of music videos, but music videos nowadays is not a very lucrative market even for the channels. So अभी आजकल उतने वीडियोस बनते नहीं हैं जितने होते थे एक टाइम पे. If I get something interesting, if the song is good, I will definitely love to do that. And movies, I haven't really spoken to anyone as yet. If there is something which is lucrative and which is exciting, where the role is good, I will definitely do it. But as of now, I haven't really met anyone in the movie side. Yeah, it's actually incredible. I never thought TV is... obviously, everyone knows TV is a massive platform and the reach is incredible. But this year, Bigg Boss, even the production people and the channel told me that Bigg Boss 6 was the best season that they have ever seen. And I think TRP wise and viewing wise, it's one of the best shows recently on Indian television. So the reach is incredible. And as an audience, if you're hooked onto it, you see that person every day for an hour for 3.5 months. So it's like connecting with a family member. Ye sab I've realized after coming out of the house. When you walk on the road and when the way people come and meet you, they come and meet you as if they know you really well. And they are meeting someone they're very familiar with. So my reaction is like, I don't think I know you. And the person comes with such a familiar hug or a smile or a handshake. So then it took me like a while to get used to it. But it's quite fascinating. And I think the kind of response... No, I've started tweeting and so it's Madhok Niketan is my handle. Yeah, so when I came out, I was asked actually, I just started tweeting about 10 days ago. I was asked by the channel that there have been so many requests for me to go on Twitter, which I wasn't. And I must, so they only handed over me a couple of handles that these are all your Twitter accounts, so many people are tweeting on your behalf. So it works in your benefit, you start something on your own because it could be misused in the long run. So yeah, I had to get on Twitter and I'm finding it quite exciting, and the kind of response and questions and comments I've been getting are so overwhelming, they're so positive that it really makes me feel very good about this whole the whole social interaction which is happening now. Yeah, I have behaved the way I've been in all my life with my friends. That's how I was with the co-contestants, because I knew अगर आप किसी के साथ रह रहे हैं on a daily basis, eventually they become like family or they're friends for about 3.5 months. I did not anticipate I'm going to be in the house this long. But yeah, so I lived and I behaved with them as I would with a family member or with a close friend. And I think that thing paid off, because today I have very good relations with almost everyone in the house, which is quite a unique thing, I think, because
Very rare actually.
yeah, even in the house there were like few groups and I was trying to be friends with everyone and everyone was being nice to me at some point towards the end of the show. So that was a very exciting thing for me, which I'm very proud of. And I'm very grateful I had this platform for everyone in the world to see what I'm all about.